This not only refers to the health ring. Web brings the user back the power to decide with whom he shares his data. And I think this is really necessary to make the people understand, for once helping the people and to get back more control about your life when it comes to this. I told you the data management on Web3 is totally in a decentralized storage, so these data won't get lost. It will be there forever, but you have your full control over it to bring it there. And you also have the full control with which other applications you interact with the same wallet. So when it comes to de-anonymize your own data, it's your fault. It's not that you have to trust somebody that will do it, like it's in the Web2 world. You have the power to decide specifically against it. In Web2, like I already said, the data is stored in a centralized way. Not only is the data stored in a centralized way, you also have to trust the company that it will still exist in 2 or 3 years when you still want to use your ring. Because, like I already explained with the bicycle company, as soon as the company don't have any money, they won't be able to still provide the service. And when the servers are not there anymore, the whole application doesn't work anymore. And with our concept, which is stored on the blockchain, you still have all the functionality on the blockchain for providing your data, for using your data, and you don't have to trust these Web2 intermediate